Today we're visiting Dog World in Waynesville, North Carolina. It's a wholesale dog bakery that also operates a retail store. And they actually produce it right at the street level so people can see it as they're walking through. And now we're going to step inside and take a look at what they have. Right as you walk in, of course, you see the display case with all their fancy decorated treats. They also have a selection of all sorts of other things for dogs. And when you're visiting here in Waynesville, you do have to follow the signs. Okay. As you see, they have a huge selection of toys from floor to ceiling. And they also have holistic shampoos and supplements for your dog, including their own Mountain Dog shampoo. And along with their Smoky Mountain dog treats, which they wholesale all over the country, they also carry, or their headquarters of the Koopies brands. Now, Koopies makes walking harnesses for dogs, and they also make the Koopy bells that the dogs ring. There's a wide selection of dog toys throughout the store. Everybody's got to bring something home for their dog on vacation. We also have a huge selection of collars, especially SEC and ACC college teams, and a lot of unique ones that you'd want when your dogs are up here in the mountains, such as bears and moose. Oops, always guys like this staring down at you. Now there's a unique fella. Beware, dog can't hold its liquor, and he's drinking out of a water bowl with a martini olive in it. Now, one unique thing about this shop is their Bowser Buffet. The Bowser Buffet features tons and tons of different treats. They have a scale. You grab a bag, try the different varieties for your dogs, mix them, match them any way you want. And that also includes treats for smaller dogs over in the baskets. And again, a big variety of toys. And there's a big chandelier right over the buffet table. It's hard to miss. There's a selection of unique clocks made by Melissa Allen, I believe. And they carry other treats for your dogs too, such as Himalayan chews, the long-lasting cheese-based chew. This is your Yappy Hour station here. You have all sorts of wine and beer for dogs. Also toys. Another one of those Bartini water glasses. And we also have some glasses for people too. Gotta spoil our people. And as you walk back in the shop, you go from room to room. Wide selection of t-shirts. Also all sorts of camping and hiking things for dogs. Remember, we are up here in the mountains. Made in America ceramics. Looking up, we have beds, beds, beds. and visit when you visit